Hi, so in today's tutorial, we're going to be designing a phone case for yourself or for your business. So the first thing is to locate a company that you want to use to print your designs. There's so many companies that will print custom phone cases, and a quick Google will help you find online companies that print and deliver to your country. There are many companies that provide templates or specifications for printing, which is a good idea to look at first. Some websites also have an online editor, but we're going to show you how to come up with a custom design that you can upload onto pretty much any website. So let's get started. We're going to be using Photoshop for this tutorial, but you could use pretty much any design software. To start, go to File and New, and that will bring up this box. We're going to type in our size, 5 by 7 inches, and 300 pixels per inch. When we're done, hit Create, and your canvas will appear. So we're going to add some artwork, and we're going to be using some of our own hand-painted clip art. This design collection is called Aristocrat Oil, and we've put together a free mini kit so that you can design along with us. So we'll put a link in the description where you can download that, as well as where you can see the full collection. So I'm going to show you how to place this artwork onto your canvas, and there's two ways to do that. So first I'm going to show you go up to File and Place Embedded, and there locate your folder. So first of all, we're just going to place this pastel canvas. So just select that and place, and your canvas will appear onto your design. So I'm just going to use the arrows around the bounding box just to stretch this design, and the quality will be absolutely fine. And move it into place. You can either hit the tick at the top or double click on your mouse, and that will place your image. Next, we're going to go to transform and scale if you want to bring up that design box again. And that's just to show you how to maneuver your design if you want to change that. Okay, the other way of adding artwork is by locating your folder and simply just dragging and dropping the design element that you want to use into your canvas. We're using the PNG files because they have a transparent background to them, and they can pretty much be used anywhere. Okay, I'm just rotating this image, and as you can see, that bounding box that comes around, you can just simply just move that and place that, scale, rotate. It's really, really handy, this tool. And it will keep proportions for you as well. Double click there just to secure the image. Next, I'm going to add in some line leaves. These are just some hand-drawn extra elements that I think will add a bit more detail to this design. So again, just using that transform box, rotating it around and scaling it in. As you can see though, it is in front of that image and we don't want that. So over in our layers panel, I'm just dragging and dropping that line underneath the artwork of the flower arrangement. And I'm going to duplicate that, just simply drag and drop that down to this little plus sign at the bottom. And here you'll see there's a copy made. And I'm just going to rotate that. I'm holding down Control or Command T to bring up this bounding box again. And I'm just moving the box around. So there we have it placed. Double click just to place that. Okay, I'm going to actually show you another way to copy an image or an element. So I want this Aristocrat Oil arrangement copied, and another way to do that is hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and just drag and drop it. And you can see in your layers panel, it's made another copy of this image. And I'm just moving this image around to bring up the box. Again, go Control or Command T and simply rotate and place to where you would like it. So it's a really quick and fun way of just using a few elements and actually duplicating them and arranging them around on your canvas to create a really pleasing design. So there we have it. There's our finished design, and we want to save this. Go up to File, Save As, and place where you want to save it. I'm going to name it Phone Case, and I also want to make sure to save it as a PSD file because that way I can always go back and edit it. So make sure to do that first. Then go up and save as a JPEG or a PNG or whatever file format the company are looking for. So there you've got lots of options. Perhaps the company want the image to be in a different color mode. In that way, you have to go up to Image and Mode and down to CMYK color. It will ask you to flatten the design, but because you've saved it already, that's absolutely fine. Hit OK and then go up to File and then Save As. And here you can save it, perhaps rename it as something else, CMYK, and save it to however file format you need. So we hope that gives you some ideas on how to use clip art and artwork and how to arrange things. It's a super fun and easy way to get started, so we hope you give it a try. And keep a lookout for the next video where we're going to show you more ways in which we use this design kit. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out. See you next time!